Achari is wonderful of the cuisine of Uttar Pradesh, which is cooked with mutton, bringing out pickled flavors into it. So let's get started. In a bowl, take washed and clean mutton. Add salt in it, red chili powder, red chili flakes, Kashmiri red chili powder, turmeric powder, roasted coriander powder, ginger and garlic paste, curd. Mix and marinate for at least 20 to 25 minutes. Let's prepare the achari masala. Take coriander seeds, fennel seeds, cumin seeds, mustard seeds. Mix and grind it coarsely. Add kalonji seeds, fenugreek seeds. Mix well and keep aside. Take thick green chilies. Make a slit in the center of the chilies. Fill chaat masala inside the chilies. All the chilies are filled with chaat masala. Please keep it aside. Heat pressure cooker, add mustard oil in it. Add chopped onions. Saute for 1 minute on medium heat. Soft fry the onions. Add marinated mutton in the pressure cooker. Now saute for 10 to 12 minutes on medium heat. Add achari masala which we have prepared before. Mix well in the mutton. Add paste of tomatoes. Mix again. Dry the excess tomato puree water and cook for 5 to 6 minutes. Add water to it. Close the lid and cook on low flame for 12 to 15 minutes. Mutton is tender nicely. Add hot water for the gravy. Mix. Add green chilies. Mix again. Cover and cook for 6 to 7 minutes on low heat. Garnish with chopped coriander leaves. Mix well and close the heat. Ta-da! Achari mutton is ready. You can serve it with onion kulchas for amazing combination. Enjoy! Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.